The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for Pensacola Bay Area, including Santa Rosa Sound, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Escambia Bay Bridge, or 15 nautical miles northeast of Pensacola Pass, moving west at 5 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Pensacola Bay, Escambia Bay Bridge, East Bay, Escambia Bay, Pensacola Bay Bridge and Garcon Point Bridge. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location: Pensacola Bay Area, including Santa Rosa Sound. This is a special weather statement for the following areas: in Florida, Escambia Coastal, Escambia Inland, Santa Rosa Coastal and Santa Rosa Inland. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of southwestern Santa Rosa and south-central Escambia counties through 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from P Ridge to 4 miles northwest of Oriole Beach. Movement was west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: winds in excess of 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Pensacola, Ferry Pass, Brent, West Pensacola, Ensley, Warrington, Gonzales, Pace, Gulf Breeze, Goulding, Myrtle Grove, Oriole Beach, Pea Ridge and Florida Town. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a flood advisory for northwestern Escambia County in northwestern Florida until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Some locations that will experience flooding include McKinnon and Bay Springs. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Here's your marine